control detectó un visitante.
One of our favorite things to cook with is our new Instant Pot. The biggest feature is it has a stainless steel inner pot. Nothing that can peel off or become a part of your food. We've used it for slow cooking, which you can use it on high or low for slow cook. We've used it for pressure cooking, and you can do lots of different things with the pressure cooker. And this even has a sous vide feature. It came with 2 different seals, so we use one for, you know, like spicy, savory food, and we keep one for, because you can also do things like yogurt and desserts in the Instant Pot. And it comes with your instructions and a nice little rack. We love it and have used it a lot, and especially when it's hot and we don't want to have to run the oven, we really appreciate having a countertop way to cook our meals.
So I got it all cleaned up and set up, and the first thing that I made is chile verde. Oh my god, if you can smell this. So I got baby back ribs, and I had them cut it really small, and then I put in I think it was like some kind of bud or something. Anyways, I chopped it all up, made the green salsa, and there it is.